Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to install the Android operating system on your Windows PC. With an open source project you can create a bootable USB drive and run Android on your laptop or desktop. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, open your Start menu and open a browser. For example, Google Chrome. Then go to the official website of Android-x86. So you can just simply type Android-x86 download. Then just simply go to the download option of the Android-x86 page. And over here, you should be able to see a few mirror options. Choose any one of them. For example, let's go with the first one. Now click on that and just let me choose the latest version of Android-x86 by clicking on this option. Now the download should begin automatically, so wait for it. And as you can see, the download has begun. Now wait for it to complete. So while Android-x86 is downloading, just simply download another software called Rufus. So we go to the official website of Rufus and download the Rufus flashing tool. Click on this option, scroll down, and then click on Rufus 4.6. This will be the standard version for Windows 64-bit. Click on it. Then the software will start downloading, as you can see right over here. Now once that is done, install the software by clicking on it, then the application will automatically start. Make sure that your pen drive is already connected. As you can see, the moment your pen drive is connected, it'll automatically detect it on the software. Now just going to wait for Android-x86 to download completely. So the reason we are using Rufus is that Rufus will help us create a bootable USB drive. Now, as you can see, the download is completed, so it's time to flash your USB drive. So there is one thing that you should remember. All the data on your USB drive will be erased. So make sure to do a backup before creating the bootable USB. So now what you have to do is once your USB device is automatically selected, the next thing you have to do is select the boot selection. So click on the select option, then go to the downloads folder where your Android file is downloaded, as you can see. Then click on it, then hit open. Now as you can see, it'll automatically select all the important settings. You don't have to change anything now. All you have to do is just simply click on start. Make sure to choose the ISO image mode at the very top, then click OK. And click on yes. Now just let me wait for a few more seconds as it'll start creating your bootable USB. So the process will take some time depending on the hardware that you're running. It will probably take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. So be patient and wait for it to complete. Now once the bootable USB drive is ready, we simply close the Rufus application and that should eject your USB drive from your computer. If not ejected, just simply right-click and eject your drive. Now once that is done, you have to open your BIOS. Restart your computer and go to your BIOS. The BIOS key could be anything like, for example, F2, F8, or F12. It'll totally depend on the manufacturer of your motherboard. So simply go to your BIOS and choose the USB drive. Now after you're inside your BIOS, just simply select the advanced option. Then just simply select auto install into a specific hard drive. Then hit enter. Now wait for a few seconds. Now over here, just choose yes, and in some cases you might have the option to select a particular drive that you want to install into. So just want to choose the desired drive where you want to install. In my case, I only have a single drive, so it didn't ask. So now wait for a few more seconds. Now as you can see, Android has been installed successfully. Now all you have to do is click on Run Android-x86, choose that option, then hit enter on your keyboard. Now wait for a few more seconds. So during the installation, you might be asked whether you want to install the bootloader. Just simply select yes, allow GRUB to manage the boot process for Android-x86 on your PC. Now, after installation is complete, you will be given the option to run Android-x86. So at this point, you will see a blue screen. The moment you see that, you can remove your USB drive and simply restart the computer. And once the bootloader loads, you will be able to see the initial Android option. So now just simply follow the on-screen instructions. So first, simply click on Start, then choose and connect your Wi-Fi and connect to it. If you don't want to connect with your Wi-Fi right now, you can always skip that by choosing the skip option at the bottom left corner. Now wait for a few seconds. Over here, your date and time will be shown. If you want to modify anything, you can do it manually or just simply click on Next. Now over here, you have to just simply accept all the policies of Google. So read the policies and then in the end, click on More, then click on Accept, wait for a few seconds. And over here, if you want to add a PIN or a password, you can do that. But you can also skip it by choosing Not Now, then just choose Skip Anyway. Now wait for a few more seconds, and over here, just choose Quick Step, then just choose Just Once. And that will install your Android, which you can use freely on your computer now. So now once you're completely logged into Android, you can use all the features like Chrome, Play Store, or anything like that. So let's say, for example, you want to open Play Store. So open Play Store first, then sign into your account. So for that, first enable your Wi-Fi. You'll just scroll down and connect your Wi-Fi. Then just choose your network over here and complete the process. So once you connect with your Wi-Fi, you will be able to download all the Play Store applications. You'll be able to run Google Chrome and everything that you have on Android. You will be able to run it exactly on this Android platform as well. So that's it. You have successfully installed Android-x86 on your USB with Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.